Hello, this is XLKillerX here. Welcome back to another yugioh boxing, and we're finishing off our box of the new Legendary Collection 3. Another 4 mini boxes. So let's crack this open and see what dice we get to start. Yeah, these ones. 2 booster packs, 1 dice, and a secret rare promo. Get any one of these. So our first dice is the orange dice. Got the boxes down there so I can recycle them. I shouldn't really take these off camera to open them, but I had to for this one. So I've got our orange dice and the 2 packs. Put that into my bag. Add that to my dice pile. There we go. I think I'll scorch that bit, but still good. Yeah, we're still good. We have the blue dice for this one. What's going on here? Oh yes, sorry, there's a lot of silence in that clip. We've got the the red dice, which I believe is the only one we didn't have. So that's perfect. Now I've took it off screen again. I'm not swapping these out, I promise. So yes, we got the final dice that we, I believe, that was available. The one that's got the, I believe it's an M. Not bad. Number 2, our thing, secret rare, so let's open the final one, and we'll see. Yes, I'm still using my Pokemon mat, because I still haven't managed to get a Yu-Gi-Oh one yet. And, oh, another red to finish, that's not too bad, I shall take that. Get me spare tub, put my things out. I've got another one upstairs, but that's full of like counters, and also I've got the other one, me thinks. So that's all in there. Right, so pack promo is that the box will just cut out the note behind me. Come on, what are you doing? There we go. It's the Predator plant. Don't take it out of the thing. Squeeze it up. That magnetic in hand. So we've got another packet, then we have a cursed necrophere. Not too bad. Another couple of packs. Then we have the Harpy's Pet Dragon Fearsome Fire Blast. New promo, so that's always good. Then we have Gaia, Jiltia the D-Knight Soul Spear. There we go. Right, let's just leave these 4 bad boys up. There we go. Predator plant, I think we've already got one of them, to be honest, but whatever. A cursed necrophere. A Harpy's Pet Dragon, and Guilty of the D-Knight. Ha ha ha. Righty ho, let's get into these. I've got a smidge in my glasses. Alright, let's get into these packs then. As far as we can, because there's a lot of cards coming out of these. Oh, it's alive! Got like a one for the. Before I'm doing that, so there's a way back condition of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. So we're starting off with Predator. Oh, sorry about that. Predator Plant something. All Righteous Justice, Neospatian Aquadolphin, Merchant Call, Eberron Magician, Heat, Predator Planning, Earthbound Immortal, Moon Dragon, Earthbound Immortal, Spirit Magician, Earthbound Immortal, Earthbound Great Alliance Walker, Terror Puppet, Subay. We have Evil Hero, which is actually misaligned, Adjusted Gold. We have Apprentice Illusion Magician and a Ebon Illusion. That is red. That text. Jesus. Is that meant to be like that? You see that text? It's like red. Oh, am I focusing? What's going on? No, it's just notifications. Interesting to know, is that meant to be orange? Or red? Or is that like a slight mist colour? That's pretty cool anyway. The red text, I do like that. So, common moments out of the way. Next one. Oh, so we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. We have a Miracle Fusion, Winged Kuriboh, Magician's Rod, Favourite Hero, a Hero Lives, Zambok, whatever, Performer Puppet, Spirit Magician's Eye, N, Burpan them all, Evil Hit Sniper, Necroface, Doom Caliber, Dark Fusion, oops, Ultimate Earthbound, we have Predator Plant, yeah, the Chimer, Magician's Combination, oh shiznit, and Satellite Warrior. Still not see Magician's Soul, Evo Hero, Lightning Golem, which are the big 2 ones you want to pull out the packs. In terms of getting your money's worth. Oh, oops. These are live, these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have an Exile Synchron. On my product use Giant Hunter, Pendulum Dimension, Go Glove, Navigation, Popo, Biscadol, Spirit Message, Colonel, Dark Spirit, I've found them all. Sentence of Doom, don't see that one. Predator Practice, our first Ultra, Chaos Command Magician, and a Sangin. And then another Smile Action at the back. Let's keep mentioning that because we keep it's 7 commons, but for some reason we count 7 out, and there's always an extra one at the end. So next one, there's the 4th one, halfway through. Legendary Duelist collection. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, got that right at the top. Magician's Alchemist, Fusion Drive, Magician's Rod, or Robe, not Rod, Circle, Skyscraper, Synchron, Predaphonics, Opening of Immortals, Earthbound them all, might have all them, Revival of the Immortal, God, come on, Subay, Evil Mind, Earthbound, G-Dot Guy, Call of the Earthbound, Ebon Illusion Magician. See, that one is normal, so I'm thinking that red one is an error. Gunnia and Dark Magical Circle yet again. That must be the 3rd Dark Magical Circle we got. Ugh. Come on. There you go. Wait, clickety click. Some more sleeves there. Won't use all that obviously, but how's going on? Butterfingers today. Oh, that's the crack on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a Hero Signal, Predator Plant, Generation Next, Hero Lives, Predator Plant, Oversoul, Fusion Dragon, Dark Calling, Earthbound Linewalk, Earthbound Revival, Earthbound Them All, Earthbound Whirlwind, Earthbound Them All, Moon Dragon. Literally every single one was a bloody thing then. A Apprentice Illusion Magician, a Archfiend Empress, and a Satellite Warrior again, and a Gimme Puppet, Disaster Leo. So I used to have a relatively decent gimmick puppet deck a couple of years back, so until I initially sold my collection. I must say it wasn't even brilliant, but I was starting fresh as I'm doing with my Pokemon one, so I'll keep going as long as it's well able to share with everybody else, and if not share with everybody else, then just open for myself to keep collection behind, as well as my sealed Pokemon collection. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scrap Iron Signal, Illusion Magic, Satellite Synchron Chase, Puppet Parade, Predator Plant, Hero Signal, Supreme King's Castle, Bisco Bidol, Offering to the Wall, Evil Hero, Dark Spirit, Revival of the Immortals, Jungian the Spiritualist, Ebon Illusion Magician again, Predator Practice, and Elemental Hero Honest Neos. Another one of those Ebon Knights, and it's not red again. Says to me, I believe we have a misprint, or miscolour, technically, which is pretty cool, to be honest. Just to show you what I mean, we've got that one and that one. As you can see, well, the text on that one is definitely red compared to the other one. So yeah, I don't think any of the other colours are off though, so that's interesting. Interesting there. I don't know how that managed to happen, but you know, things do. This is all fake now. Oh, whatever, screw it. Right, 2 more packs to go. Can we pull Magician's Soul or the Evil Hero Lightning Bolt? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. We have the Glove Man, Venom Fusion Dragon, Righteous Justice, Former Pearl, Illusion Magic, Emergency Call, Predator Plan, Sense of the Doom, Sun Dragon, Supe, Roar the Earthbound, Dark Spirit, Earthbound Wave, Dark Necrophere, Dark Magician Girl, and Apprentice Illusion Magician. That's our first Dark Magician Girl, so that's pretty cool. Now, first Dark Necrophere. There and there. Right, and this will be our last pack for our Legendary Duelist Season 3. Let's see, can we end with a banger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. We have the one with the long name, Heated Heat, Odd Eyes Wizard Dragon, Favoured Hero, Navigation, Future Drive, Scrap Iron Signal, Terra Puppet, Earthbound Them All, Doom Caliber Knight, Jugan, Supe, Evil Hero, Oracle, Earthbound Greater. We have another one of the Acasta Dawnwalker, Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy, and Predator Planet. We didn't get either of the top 2. But that's how the cookie crumbles. And these ones. So that's it for this one. So if you have enjoyed, don't forget to punch like one, leave a comment down below, of course subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, it's always down below. That's the last thing to say. I've been XStarCollects and I'll see you in the next Yu-Gi-Oh! Box opening. Thank you so much for watching.